Okay, hi guys. So here I am again. So dito naman I'm gonna tackle with you yung inyong agency. So for first timer, how you're going to know if you have how to apply for an agency. So itatap mo tong agency na ito. Nakikita mo to, nasa me page po ito me. Then hanapin mo itong banner na to na may star. Blue banner with a star, agency. Once na-approve ng agency mo, magkakaroon ka na ng agency, and kapag sa agency, pag may agency ka na, dapat magkaroon ka auto greetings. However, if you don't have auto greetings, you have to let me know para po mapaset natin siya sa ating pong admin. Admin is available Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So pag inopen mo ito yung makikita mo. Ito yung total na running mo na earnings, all charm income. Tapos, ilang user na yung nakapagpadala sa'yo at ilang araw ka nang nag-broadcast. Tapos, ito yung agency information. Wala naman ito. Makikita mo lang sila yung may-ari ng agency. Personal info mo for the charm. Kung gusto mo malaman ilan yung valid chats mo, number ng gifter mo, at ilan na yung nare-receive mo from the previous day. So, ito yung data ng from the previous days pa, hindi kasama yung data mo today. Yung nasa unahang pinakita ko, kasama yung information ng earnings mo today. Okay? Gusto mo ito yung yesterday data. Gusto mo makita yung weekly mo, tap mo yung weekly, ito yung makikita mo. Okay? So again, ang ating pong weekly dito starts at Monday, 12 midnight, ends at 11:59 p.m. Sunday. So, yan po siya. Okay? So, pag sinabihan ko kayo, guys, pasend po sa akin yung nasa my agency ninyo sa center. Ito lang yung isa sa inyo sa akin. Kasi, yung valid chat ninyo, kayo nang bahala doon. Hindi naman po kayo pipiliting mag-valid chats. Pero po, para po sa additional income, kailangan nyo ng valid chats. Especially kunwari naka 14,000 na kayo. Para maka $3 kayo, kailangan additional $3 on top of your charm income is kailangan meron kang 30 valid chats. Tapos kapag naka 32,000 ka na, kailangan meron kang 35 valid chats para additional $5 sa earning mo. Yun lang naman for this video.